Visita del programa del Dateland Teleradio en durante tarde el veterano actor Christopher De Leon y el veterano director del película, director Baby Nebrida. Esa después el día 2 días shooting del película Across the Crescent Moon, que un película que tiene objeto madamira el vida del unta usug alina probinsya del Tawi-Tawi y el diverse kultura del probinsya.
That's the across. Of course, we have the cross and across the crescent moon. So we talk about yung nga interrelationship and and then peaceful sort of in my case coexistence with the other faiths.
Asigun con la directora de Brida, ya aprecia el mucho con el cosa tiene bonito islas y cultura el probinsya del Tawi-Tawi y bien lejos es na percepción del mga desde Luzon.
We went to Tawi-Tawi, of course, to shoot the movie. And then we've been shooting in Manila, but we want to have some establishing shots. And we want to show the character of Christopher De Leon, like he's Karim Misani, a trader, a pearl trader, and he's also the father of Matteo Guidicelli, who is a boss in our movie and a SAF agent.
Okay.
The movie is about human trafficking. We want to have a general awareness of the horrors of human trafficking and modern day slavery. At the same time, it is also about interfaith relationships.
Interfaith
Yes, interfaith relationships. And we want to, just the premise of the movie is that we're all one family of God. We're all Filipinos. We have to have a respect for each other's beliefs. And at the same time, we want to promote peace and harmony also. And that we can all coexist with each other. We can all live together peacefully. That's the premise of the movie. And I think we've done the shooting, and I think we'll be able to achieve that. And I hope the audience will get the real heart of the story.
Junto a sigun kanila na pelikula el aktor Matteo Guidicelli, Gabi Concepcion y otros pa, y sila taplan ya para man-launch con el esta premiere aquí na Zamboanga City como parte del Dila Advokasya para man-promote con el mga lugar na Mindanao en ayuda con el gobyerno nasyonal. Asigun con Christopher, hindi mas nuevo con el ciudad de Zamboanga donde ele visita regular del ciudad, ita-aprecia mucho con el comida del Alabar, kita ofrece el sabroso seafoods. Esperanza el pedemira con el pelikula Across the Crescent Moon este Disyembre, parte del Dila entries para el Metro Manila Film Festival. Albert Luna, Dateline Zamboanga.